Hey, plant enthusiasts, why is humidity so crucial for indoor plants? Just like us, plants have their preferences. Among these, humidity levels play a pivotal role in their well-being. You see, humidity aids in nutrient absorption. It's like a conduit, helping the plants soak up all the goodness they need to grow. But it doesn't stop there. Humidity also promotes healthy growth. With the right humidity levels, your plants can flourish, reaching their full potential. And there's another bonus too. Humidity can deter pests. Yes, that's right. A well-humidified plant is like a fortress, making it harder for pests to invade. So maintaining the right humidity levels ensures your plants thrive. Remember, your indoor green companions depend on you to create the perfect environment. And part of this perfection lies in balancing the humidity levels. So let's dive in and learn how to increase humidity for the health and happiness of your indoor plants. Now, let's talk numbers. What's the ideal humidity range for houseplants? You may wonder. Well, most indoor plants are happiest when the humidity level is between 40 and 60%. Yes, you heard it right. This is the sweet spot where your green companions can truly thrive. But how do you know if your home falls within this ideal range? Enter the hygrometer, a handy little device that measures the relative humidity in your surroundings. It's like a thermometer, but for moisture in the air. Keep an eye on it, and it will tell you if your indoor environment is a plant paradise or a desert in disguise. You see, if your home is too dry, particularly during those chilly winter months or in air-conditioned spaces, your plants might start to feel a little under the weather. But don't worry, we've got you covered with some easy solutions. One of the simplest methods to increase humidity is misting the leaves. Misting is as straightforward as it sounds. You'll need a spray bottle filled with water. The idea is to lightly spray the leaves of your plants, creating a thin layer of moisture that gradually evaporates and increases the humidity around your plants. This process is a great way to mimic the dewy morning in the plant's natural environment, providing them with a refreshing burst of moisture. Moreover, misting has other benefits too. It helps to clean the leaves of your plants, allowing them to absorb sunlight more efficiently. It also helps to deter pests, a common problem for indoor plants. However, remember, moderation is key. Over-misting can lead to waterlogged leaves and potentially cause diseases. So, mist your plants every few days, not every day. This is especially beneficial for tropical plants that love a bit of extra moisture. Another fantastic trick is using pebble trays and humidifiers. Pebble trays are an old-school yet effective way to increase humidity. You simply fill a shallow tray with water and place pebbles or small stones in it. Then, set your potted plants on top of these pebbles, but ensure the water level is just below the surface. The water evaporates over time, creating a microclimate of humidity around your plants. On the other hand, a humidifier can be a game changer, especially if you have a large collection of humidity-loving plants. These devices are designed to maintain the optimal humidity levels in your home. Just place one near your plants, and you'll notice a significant improvement in their overall health. Both pebble trays and humidifiers work wonders in boosting humidity levels. They are easy to use, effective, and can make a huge difference in your plant care routine. These methods create a microclimate of humidity around your plants and regulate humidity levels in your home. Plant placement and terrariums are often overlooked methods to increase humidity. Grouping your plants together can create a humid microenvironment. This happens because plants release moisture into the air through a process called transpiration. When plants are grouped together, they mutually benefit from each other's moisture release, creating a mini oasis of humidity. This is especially useful for plants that originate from tropical environments where humidity levels are naturally high. Now let's talk about terrariums. These fascinating mini ecosystems enclosed in glass are not just decorative, they also serve a practical purpose. The enclosed space traps moisture, creating a self-sustaining humid environment. Think of it as a mini greenhouse. This makes terrariums excellent for housing plants that require high humidity levels. If you have humidity-loving species like ferns or orchids, consider placing them in a well-designed terrarium. These enclosed spaces act as a mini greenhouse, trapping moisture and creating the perfect humid environment for your plants. And there you have it, simple yet effective ways to increase humidity for your indoor plants. From misting leaves to using pebble trays, humidifiers, and terrariums, it's all about creating the perfect way to increase humidity for indoor plants. Remember, keeping your plants happy and healthy is all about finding that sweet spot in humidity levels. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe our channel Houseplants Love for more tips. Happy growing, and we'll see you in the next video.